here. It's a Saturday morning, and I would rather not be doing anything else. I'd rather be right here, because this show is the best one. I mean, there's a reason that 7,500 people tuned in last night on our webcast. They want to catch the records being broken. They're always broken right here at Waterloo, right here at this regional. This is the regional to do it, and we did it. A high score of 284 points. Broke the record by a mile for all your records out there, kilometers for days. It's incredible, and you don't do that anywhere but at the Waterloo Regional, because that's exactly what we do here. Now, you know, all this attention that we get being such an amazing regional, you're going to get special guests. And we do have yet another special guest here today. To introduce them, I'd like to welcome to the field Director of Center Student Design Center at Waterloo University and Chair of the Waterloo Planning Committee, Peter Kirsten.
Good morning, everybody. As Chair of the Planning Committee, it is my privilege to welcome you on behalf of the University of Waterloo to the first Robotics Competition Waterloo Regional. This year marks our 11th competition, and we are proud partners with First Canada in bringing this annual event to our campus. I'd like to acknowledge and first of all thank the many volunteers who make running this event possible. All of you, and these are the people in the white shirts and the striped shirts and all the different color shirts in the room, the blue shirts, you have all worked hard with First Robotics staff to make this Waterloo event one of the premier regional competitions. And your hard work and dedication to First and the Waterloo Regional is deeply appreciated. So today is the big day. Today is the day when you find out if all the planning, the worrying, the designing, the building, the redesigning, the rebuilding, the long days, the sleepless nights have all been worthwhile. Today is the day when you find out whether your team succeeds, whether you are a winner. Well, let me let you in on a little secret. No matter what happens today, you have already won. In the past 3 months, you have learned life lessons and gained valuable experience in project management, in teamwork, in engineering, design, and fabrication. And experiences like these are starting points for success. And that's why we are all here. The judges, the planning committee members, the refs, the volunteers, your mentors, all of your supporters, we're all here because we recognize that First provides students with experiences that will help them succeed. And we're really excited to be here and watch that happen, be part of that process. So, as you take it to the field today, remember that you have already won, no matter what it says on the scoreboard. So best of luck, be safe, and enjoy the games. And it's now my pleasure to introduce our special guest this morning, Peter Braid, Member of Parliament for Kitchener-Waterloo.
Well, thank you very much, Peter. Good morning, everyone. I'm so delighted to be here on behalf of the Government of Canada to have the opportunity to welcome all of you to Waterloo, to the University of Waterloo. I'm so pleased that my riding is playing host, is the host for the 2015 First Robotics Competition. I know many of you have come from both near and far. A special welcome as well to our American friends and competitors. How are you all enjoying your experience in Waterloo so far? I must say, I'm not much of a morning person, but I must say I've rarely seen this much energy and excitement on a Saturday morning at 8:30 ever before, so congratulations. And it's quite fitting that one of Canada's elite engineering schools, the University of Waterloo, is our host today. And a special thank you to the event sponsors, to all the wonderful volunteers who are ensuring that this event is so successful. Thank you to the coaches, to the mentors, to the family members who are here supporting our young people. And first and foremost, thank you to our competitors. The first robotics competition is a wonderful way to connect with young people and to encourage and promote career opportunities in science, technology, engineering, math, and marketing. So I sincerely hope that you will find ways to celebrate all of your achievements at this competition and take inspiration to pursue further studies and careers in these important areas. I'd like to extend my personal congratulations to all of the competitors and my very best wishes to those of you who have qualified for the World Championships in St. Louis coming up in a month or so. It's quite clear. It's quite clear that all competitors here are well positioned for future success in our knowledge economy, one that will increasingly rely on the science and technology skills demonstrated here during the day today and yesterday as well, of course. So in closing, I thank you again for being here. I wish you continued success and enjoy the rest of the competition. Thank you very much.
A second guest. Please welcome up to the field, Central Marketing Manager at Union Gas Limited, Nicole Fernandez.
Waterloo office. I'm just thrilled to be here on day 2 of the Central Marketing Competition. And although I'm a first-time judge, Union Gas has been competition now for the 3rd year. Robotics is so much more than just building a robot and more than a competition. Thank you. Hopefully that's better. The participants develop skills that will help them prepare to be leaders of tomorrow. Innovators, engineers, project managers, business people, and much more. Led by teachers, family, and mentors, the teams benefit tremendously from having people who believe in them, who support them, and who push them to new heights. At Union Gas, we believe in young people and support their curiosity, their passion, and their drive. We are happy to see focused brainstorming, teamwork, dedicated mentoring, and problem solving. All of these things will help them in their journey through the education system and eventually into the working world. The group at First Robotics Canada does a fantastic job. They inspire us, and I hope that they inspire you. So with all that in mind, Union Gas is proud to show our continued support for First Robotics Canada as a gold level sponsor through a $50,000 grant. We're very pleased to be supporting 9 teams across the province, of which 2 are competing here today. So with that, I wish you all good luck in the remainder of the competition. Thank you and have fun.
All right, folks. I would now like to introduce a few people you met yesterday. Let's check out the groups, the people in the blue shirts. They're the judges. Let's welcome them back, folks. Come next week. And our next group, the guys in the striped shirts, you know them. They're always field side. Say hello to the refs. By the change in music, I thought you would have a whole intimidation factor there. I would now like to recognize another group. These guys don't get recognized enough. The volunteers around the field, the pits, all these guys, they gotta be recognized because they're what makes this happen. All right, so let's get a big applause. That great social last night. Who liked the social? Good games, great socializing between teams. That's how you meet new people, and that's how you network, right? Incredibly important. Well, First Championship has about 8 fields down 600 teams competing. And if it takes a lot of volunteers just to run this, imagine the championships. Well, everyone has an opportunity to volunteer. Just go online, go onto VIMS, and you'll be able to apply and register for the first championship and volunteer there. Now, we just have about 15 qualification matches left to go before we get to line selection, guys. We're really close. It's coming down to the wire, and it's going to be super exciting. But before we can get to all that action, we'll have the U.S. Anthem performed by Tori Lawrence from Team 329. Let's get this